You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all. There are, indeed, I'm afraid, different pronunciations. In English, especially. In Hebrew, it'd be Deliah. But in English, it's either Deliah, some may say Deliah, or Delia, or Delia. Rarely is it Deliah. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. I believe this is location dependent or country also dependent. So let us know where you're from and how you pronounce it, how you want to pronounce it, how you want it pronounced in the comments. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.